I'm Luke Stackpole with Luke on Instagram, and today I'm going to show you what's in my camera bag. One of my favourite pieces of kit these days is the DJI Mavic 2 Pro drone. It's got about 20 minutes flight time, so pretty useful to fly pretty far away and can get some really cool angles that often traditional photography hasn't been able to manage. So here's the Sony A7R IV. This is what I use now day to day. It's 60 megapixels, super sharp, super crisp. It has inbuilt stabilization into the body. One of my favorite lenses is the Tamron 28-17 Sony EMount lens, and I use it for most of my wide-angle landscapes. Perhaps my most versatile lens, however, is the Tamron 28-75, and this sits on my camera pretty much all the time. Love it. The camera that I've been using for the last 2 years is the Nikon D850, and it's a 45 megapixel camera. It's been through quite a beating and a lot of water, but it's held up well. One of the first things I take with me in my camera bag is the Benro carbon fiber tripod. And the reason I take a tripod with me is because it really helps in those low light situations, such as sunrise or sunset, when you need to really slow that shutter speed down. So a really invaluable piece of kit I take with me is this portable battery. It just helps keep things charged. I charge my phone, I can charge my camera batteries on it. I use an MSI laptop for my travel needs. It's pretty portable, it's quite lightweight, and it's very powerful. I use Adobe Lightroom Premiere Pro, handles it perfectly. Yeah, no problems with the speed at all. That's what I take with me around the world, and I hope you enjoy your travels.